guys.
Fireworks.
If you're new, subscribe, like, and comment. Time to watch some fireworks. There's some.
Not fireworks right now, but.
Oh! Oh! I just got it!
I'll film you. I'll be the cameraman. Oh, there you go. Listen, I'll be the cameraman. Listen, that's not me. Alright, I'm done with video with the cameraman.
You just ended it?
Yeah.
Recording really quick. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a fireworks.
There's fireworks over there. Boys, what's over there? Christian, you're not doing it right.
And?
You gotta get someone else to come on. I don't know if this is good, so.
Hold on. Let me see. I don't think you could see them. I have to find somewhere to put this. Oh, up there. Mom? Mom, can I? Mom?
What about white? You only never like
That's my song.
Jacob, watch this. Oh, man.
Did your boots stop? Wait, we're
Bruh, I could get copyrighted.
What do you mean?
I could get copyrighted. Don't sing any songs.
Why?
Cause I don't want to get copyrighted.
What's that mean?
I already have more than enough strikes. Copyrighted means like you could get like I don't know what it means.
Oh, you're probably gonna get copyrighted. The truck is playing music. The truck is playing music.
And I'm far enough
Make a new
away.
video. Let's make a new video. If you're gonna get copyrighted, make a new video. There's no point in getting copyrighted.